In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multiple question quiz using ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to feed ChatGPT a source, tell it to focus on that material, and get a clean, multiple choice quiz with the number of items and answer options you want. Start by giving ChatGPT a source. You can paste text directly into the chat, or upload a PDF if your interface supports file uploads. Keep things tidy. If you're pasting, include only the relevant sections. If you're uploading a PDF, make sure it's readable and clearly formatted so the content can be parsed accurately. Right after you add your source, tell ChatGPT to use this file or text as the basis for the quiz. A simple line like, "Please use only this source to create the quiz," helps keep the questions grounded in the material you provided. Next, decide how you want the quiz structured and say that clearly in your prompt. Specify that you want a multiple choice quiz and set the number of options per question. For example, you can ask for choices A through or extend it to A through E if you want more challenge. It also helps to say that there should be exactly one correct answer per question and that the distractors should be plausible, drawn from the same source. If you have a target audience or difficulty level in mind, like beginner, intermediate, or advanced, include that in the same request. You can also ask for concise phrasing, consistent formatting, and if you like, an answer key or brief explanations tied to the source. All of this belongs in one clear instruction, so ChatGPT understands the exact output you expect. Then, specify how many questions you want, such as, create 10 questions. You can choose any number, just be explicit. If you want coverage across different sections of your source, mention that too. For example, distribute questions across all major topics in the document. Finally, enter your full prompt and wait for the response. You should receive a neatly formatted quiz that follows your instructions. If something is off, maybe you got 5 choices instead of 4, or you want more items, tweak your wording and send a follow-up in the same chat like, please revise to 4 choices per question and keep the rest the same. Small clarifications usually fix the output quickly. Once you're happy, you're done. You've created a multiple question quiz using ChatGPT, grounded in your chosen source and tailored to your exact specifications.